Sorry. That's okay. Yeah.
By watching documentaries, movies and videos that celebrate the past heroes of Black History Month.
By calling back home.
Show them what I represent, my culture, my food. I love to cook, cook for them and give them a taste of the Nigerian sauce.
It's about the liberation and equality of Black people. So I'm able to see Black people just living their best life.
It's a celebration of Black culture to also recognise the struggles that Black people have been through.
It's all about showing, the beauty of Black people.
But I think most importantly, it means being confident in my own skin.
One of my favourite British Black icons is Naomi Smalls, so she speaks a lot about the racism she endured during the modelling industry.
Nelson Mandela is my Black icon. The way he was able to unify Africa.
So I'm not going to pick one person. There are a lot of people that I look up to. So it's not really a person. It's not just one person. It's more like what they exude that inspires me. So.